In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Phantom wallet to Autosnipe.ai. By following these steps, you will enable your wallet to interact with the Autosnipe platform for trading on Solana. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Autosnipe.ai and press enter. Once the website loads, you will be greeted with the home page, which features various options related to crypto trading. Next, locate the button labeled Connect Wallet on the home page. This button is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will initiate the process of linking your Phantom wallet to the Autosnipe platform. After you click Connect Wallet, a list of compatible wallets will be displayed. Scroll through this list until you find the option for Phantom Wallet. Click on this option to proceed with the connection process. At this point, a pop-up from Phantom Wallet will appear on your screen. This pop-up is essential for authorizing the connection between your wallet and Autosnipe.ai. Review the information presented to ensure it corresponds to your intended actions. To finalize the connection, click the button labeled Connect within the Phantom pop-up. This action approves the connection request, allowing your wallet to interface with Autosnipe.ai seamlessly. Once you have successfully clicked Connect, you will receive a confirmation that your wallet is now linked and ready to use with Autosnipe.ai on the Solana network. At this stage, you can start utilizing the features available on the platform.